Hello guys, welcome to Python course. So in last video you saw how to install Python on Windows. So in this video we will discuss how to install Eclipse with Python. So step by step I will let you know and follow my all the steps. Let's go. So before installing Eclipse you have to download Java 7. So visit on www.oracle.com. This is the official website and you can download JDK 7. Without JDK 7 we can't run Eclipse. So you have to accept the agreement and you can download for Windows. This is i586 means for Windows 32-bit and this is for Windows 64-bit. So whenever you click on it, it will be downloaded. So I have downloaded here for 32-bit operating system. If you want to know what is the configuration of your system, so in last video I told you how we can get the operating system configuration using Python. And then you have to download Eclipse. So go to official website of Eclipse. So here inside downloads, packages will be there and release and Kepler. And you have to download Eclipse standard 4.3.2 for Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. It's depend on your system. So whenever you will click on it, it will get download. So just you have to click on it, downloads, and it will start. Okay. And these two we need to downloads. So I have already JDK 7 and eclipse.zip. Like that you will get. So I will install first Java like JDK. So double click on it. Yes. Next. Now this is the directory where your Java got installed. So you have to select the directory. So no need to select anything. Just click on next. And it will install shortly. So now successfully installed Java SE development kit. Then close it. And now check once is your Java installed properly or not. So for that you have to go in command prompt and type Java C. Java C is a Java compiler. So whenever you will type Java C, so Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So for remove this error, same process you have to follow as Python. So you have to set the environment variables. For that, go on computer, right click on it, then properties, advanced system settings, and environment variables. So you set already here for Python. So for Java also you have to set. So click on edit, no need to click on new. So after semicolon you have to add the path. And see program files, go in program files x86 Java JDK bin. So this path you have to give in environment variables. So your environment variables will be set properly. And don't forget to put semicolon. Okay. So start new command prompt and type Java C. So it's showing some string. So your Java got installed properly. Now come to Eclipse. So I have downloaded this zip file. So you have to unzip it first. Extract all. At the same location, I am extracting. So it got extracted now. You have to go inside the folder Eclipse in this directory. So here you will see Eclipse application. So you have to run the application. Just double click on it, run. it will start. And now you need to follow some steps to configure the Eclipse with Python. Yes, so here in C drive, it will create a workspace. In this, whatever projects we will create, so all projects will come at this location. So in Eclipse, you have to configure first. The first step is go inside help and install new software. You have to add PyDev module. And here location is www.pydev.org. /updates. Make sure your system should be connected to internet. So you have to select only PyDev. No need to select PyDev my LN integration. And next. Yeah. Then next, no need to do anything. Here you have to accept the license. I accept the terms and the license agreement. Just click on it and finish. So this warning will come. You have to click on OK and you have to select Brainwave software and then OK. You will need to restart Eclipse for changes that take effect. So you have to restart it. Yes. And again it will start. So after restarting the Eclipse, you have to follow few steps. After that you will be able to work with Python. So go in window. In preference, you will see here is PyDev. Okay. So click on this icon and here interpreter. Click on this icon and choose Python interpreter. New. So you have to add Python interpreter here. So go inside C, Python 27 and Python exe. So this will be your interpreter. Okay. Now these things will come. For that you have to configure or set your system variables. So like same you set environment variables. Like that you have to go inside properties and advanced system settings, environment variables, and for that you have to set Python path. So Python path is nothing. It is the complete Python path. Like in C drive Python 27. So this path separated by semicolon, then this path separated by semicolon, like all the directories we have to give. Okay. Now just select all. It's already selected. Okay. Apply. It will take few minutes. Okay. Now it will ask for window firewall has blocked some feature. So you have to give the access. So public networks you have to select and allow access. Now the last step is go in window and open perspectives. Here go inside others and you will see PyDev. So whenever you will click on it, it will come here. Just right click on Java and close it because we are working on Python. So your PyDev module is configured with Eclipse. So now we can create the project. So how we can create the project? Go inside files, new, and here you can see PyDev projects. Click on it, give project name like my project. Okay, no need to do anything now. Next and finish. So your project got created and here exe file also included. So how you can create a new file? So just right click on it, new Python module. Okay, no need to give any package, and after few lectures I will let you know what is the package and all. So no need to give any package, just give the file name. So I will give the file name is test only. We will test it. Finish. Show letter, it's nothing. It is saying some templates, so we don't need any templates, just an empty file we want. Okay, show letter. Okay, so now you can see our file got created. If you want to increase the font size, so you have to go inside window, preferences, and general, appearance, colors and fonts, then inside basics, then text font, and edit it. So I will increase to 18 and bold. Okay, apply it. Okay, so we increase the font. Now type something like print working fine and run from here. Just click on it. So it will ask Python run, select that and OK. So here you will see the console. So no need to go anywhere. Just write your code here and you can get the output in Eclipse itself. So no need to go in your command prompt and all. So that is the benefits of using Eclipse. We will see how we can use Eclipse, or what is the difference between Eclipse and in interpreted mode. So now it's working fine. So you will see how Python runs program and how you runs program.